Welcome to On the Business portal. This is your new portal where merchants and users can now create different carts within the different company locations that they have. And then they can manage those different carts as easy as they like, and they can check out on laptop or mobile. So as you can see here, you can see different staff members per location, the address, quick QR code scan here to check out easy on your mobile. Company locations, so here we've just got two, but then we've got 3 carts here and then 2 carts here, and you can see they change. And if we'd like to, in this location, we can add another cart. And let's add an item to that cart, view that cart. There you go. And we can add another one. And then add another item as well. And then we can, if we'd like to, we can change our name of our staff account. So now that changes to Tom Test. And yeah, so this allows companies and customers to create more than one cart on their account. And then we can then in the back end go in and search these carts per location, see what each customer is doing, and see the contact details for that customer as well. And as you can see at the moment, you have no area within this to identify any of this information. So it just creates a nice centralized and easy way for each customer to manage their orders, and then also for you to help that customer managing their carts and their orders in one place.